10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go. We just checked into CP3. Alright, we made it to CP. We are there! Ooh, rock and roll. So, andito po si Navigator Quincy. First time namin mag-team up for a race. Kasi last time, Team B sila. Dito sa Sulat Eco Challenge, which is, by the way, not the Eco Challenge na expedition race. Pero still, 3 days pa rin siya dito sa Eastern Samar. Quiz stage race, no? So, we'll be trekking, biking, paddling, swimming for 3 days, pero every night matutulog. Forced siya na sleep. Hindi dark zone. Forced talaga natulog for all the teams. 5 pala kami. Isang barangay kami this time. 5 members. So it's me, Quincy, Tata, Hill, and Erica. Okay, first night, pre-race, first night. Dito po kami sa, ano ni nga barangay? Barangay, ano ni Queens? Barangay Candalakit in Sulat, Eastern Samar. So, nasa covered court po. So tomorrow we will be deployed at 7 AM, trek stage. Na? Sleeping time? Sleeping time. Good night. Good morning. It is 5:02 AM. We are getting ready for the start. Morning, guys.
Wala.
Morning, morning, Dirt. Morning. Bless us all.
Pangaon ito.
Lord, adinalat kami hininga mulay naton. Salamat naging katipirot na kami din isang summer naman. Once again,
what's up, madam people?
What's up, mga katropa people?
sige, ano tiyo inaabat yan ang baga matikang na.
I'm feeling nervous.
Oro.
Shout out, Sir Carlos Dave Castillo.
Oh, ito.
Salamat ang sponsor.
Anamong gihap, Kuya Kaloy. Sunod.
Good morning. Morning.
Go! Move!
We just started the trekking stage. May river crossing, guys. Okay, may tulay. Okay.
May ada sa pa.
Okay.
Pag hinay di da sa delikado. To ulang nga pagtumat di dahil tabla to.
So we are on we're on a ridge line traversing to our first checkpoint. So nasa single track pa kami, slowly gaining elevation. Okay, so we just checked into CP1. CP1, no? Kumbaga. Queens, kumusta ang
Kapoy.
trekking?
Pero ayos.
Hello, Erica. Welcome to CP1.
Oh guys, linis.
Siring kunahin kita.
We're now at Aet Dam.
Damn. So the race is not your typical adventure race na non-stop and point to point. So like ngayon, medyo staged siya. Hindi siya medyo. Talagang staged siya. So every night we will sleep. Tapos every checkpoint aantayin lahat ng teams to arrive and then release na naman depending on your time. So ngayon we're number 1 sa CP1, then we're waiting for all the teams. Dito kami nag-aantay sa dam nila. We are at Aet, Barangay Aet. Check out the dam. Ganado. Woohoo!
Light ka na oh. Puta ka.
Lingkod na lang lingkod. Kanya kan miss kay ikot kuan.
Human drone. Sige na, ikaw.
Ay, human drone. Yes, human drone. Sige na, Nes. Stick ka. Yo, nagmeme na karon.
Okay, Dukes, ma-start na luwat for CP2. CP2. Na, wins. Okay, starting in a bit. Hello, Dirt. Hello, Dirt. Hello, Dirt. Hello, Dirt. Okay, padayan. Dumadara-dara. Okay, CP, ano ni? Checkpoint 2.
Matawa ka daw.
Checkpoint 2 ba? Checkpoint 2 na po. We're on top of a mountain. Dito po ang Dirt. Dirt. Tata, patayin na. Iyo, kapataron kita ni Tata Dili. Guys, adi na ni Agnes. Umupod na.
Mabalin na ko na iya.
Grabe.
Meet my uncle.
Ano ko no ante?
Aw.
Ano ka mo kuwan?
Sisig.
Ano ini parang tawil wala ka kumitahin.
Hello, it is 6:34. Just had our dinner. Ngayon, nagde-dessert kami ng Tita Ting's Turmeric. Diba? Tita Ting's Turmeric. Tita Ting's Turmeric. Kumusta kayo, team? Kumusta, team? Trail boss. Chikahan po at 7 p.m.
Atara, pwede kami nakikipan. Oh, thank you.
Good morning. 5:11 a.m. We are on our second day of the race. Good morning, Tata. Today, we'll go down to CP ano? 3, diba? Checkpoint 3 in Barangay San Juan. 6K daw na ano. Pila ka kilometers na trek? 3.5 kilometer trek daw. We'll see. Anyway, the guys are packing up. See you in a bit. Hello again. We are starting in a bit. Queens number 6 na start. 6th on the line. Everyone is lining up. High heel. Yeah. So we'll probably be released around 7:10, 7:15. No. First team to go out is Tribu Harbat. Bye.
Uy, di patahap, tama na.
Okay.
Pagpapanggang.
Ready?
Ready.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Okay. Try madulunod.
Wala.
Okay, we just checked into CP3. Trail run siya, trail run. Kusog. Well done, team. Welcome to the lowland. Lowland. You're now in Barangay San Juan. Take a little break. We have a tree planting activity. For your next challenge, you need to sleep joke. Select 2 members from your team to enter the bike race. Period. Ginawa. Happy na lang ato ka. Rina Queens, ayaw na dito.
Nasugad. Mas may lote ya.
Barangay San Juan. Okay, may side quest. Magtatanim kami ng coconut. Ano tinatawag ka? Tomos. Guti ay nga lubi. It puts the eco in eco challenge. No. It's part of the eco challenge.
Tatanong kami kuan bukag.
Kanyan ako ni Dora pabor lain pag video. Kumusta nimo tree planting experience dal?
Makapag binuho.
Ay ana Agnes parunta na. Guys, dili lang kita sulod kay Agnes na ape. Adila.
Ay, lako mo ulog ni. Masiguro ako.
Dal kumusta man nimo tree planting experience dal? Okay.
Dito kami nagtutupad.
Mami, nasugo ka ako, ha? Nasugoy niya ako. Team Dirt. 1, 2.
Queens, kumusta tree planting?
Okay. For the planet.
So nangyari is nag-stop yung time and then we were given the task to plant coconuts. Wow! Na.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Oh, yo.
Welcome to my vlog. Run, baby, run!
Bigis pa kita. Ay, dili awara you can like ha.
Oo, dirt adventure racing. Definitely I will like your page.
See you, Charlie.
Ayaw.
Sari ka mo, we are dirt.
We are dirt! Ayo, kono dito yan na. Hello, it is 10:57. So, what will happen now is magsa-separate ang team. Dalawang members will race these mountain bikes for 10 kilometers for a mountain bike stage. Tapos ako, Quincy, and Tata, itra-transport sa next checkpoint. So, yung mag-ride si Hill and si Erica.
Amo kayan, may da. Engeng. Dirt. 2. 35 ha. Congrats. Double dance.
Ha? Ano?
Ginalong pa rin.
Ga
Uy, picture. Diri. Diri mas. Bibi, diri mo yan. Ganon.
Twist ha, hindi mangyayari. Basta yan congratulations. Pero yan, sabi rin siya. Okay?
Okay, sige. So mapahawailan kami.
Pawailan eh.
Ikaw mo. Diri kami kanay gumawas. Gatuan kami ka.
Okay, so ma-start kami ang paddling stage. Hey friends.
Eh. Gawa eh. Alam mo yung first Good luck.
Partner ko sa paddle section will be paddling this one.
Madagmit mo.
Start na kami ng race. Ano na?
Ang iyong ibang members, ita-transport ita hari.
Tata.
Good luck to us.
Ano sa rabos?
See you on the other side.
Oh, switch that. Off that switch. Alright. We made it to CP5, I think. I don't know anymore. Laging ko among gamit ko. Ang gamit ko ano. Ano? Shortcut ka mo?
Shortcut?
Shortcut, Dol? Shortcut ka, Dol?
Ate Jela. Ate Jela. Basta adventure racer. Kamaram ka na ito.
Amo na. Aroy, nareklamo pa.
Unsa ka din niya na? Kung nakatagit-abot nga. Hindi. Ano?
Hindi, anod kita, Pacific Ocean.
Kung nakatagit-abot na mo.
Parang ngayon tatanong ka rin sa iyo. Ano na to talaga yan?
Bininggap ng mga cellphone.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Charot. We're about to what? We're about to run sheep. Trail run, guys.
Morning, it's our third day of racing. We are still on Barangay San Vicente. It's an island here sa Sulat. We are getting ready for the swim stage and the pedicab stage happening later. Morning, Dirt. Good morning, Dirt.
Morning.
Pandesal.
Tama na ang pagpapanggang.
Gabi. Gabi.
Makat ko naman kita. Na-video lang ko, Ira. Dere, pwede na.
Okay, taking for running. In good. Time. 10:36. Together right now over me. Come together.
Wait.
Experts.
After 3 days, fresh pa rin sila mga answer.
Love it. Our champion! Ilang oras? Odessa? Ilang minutes?
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine.
Ay, masirom. Hello! After party!